Did you know that the first person to take a spacewalk nearly didn't make it back inside his spacecraft? This isn't a plot from a sci-fi movie, but a real event that took place in the cold vacuum of space over half a century ago. Our journey to the stars began with a perilous first step, taken by a man named Alexei Leonov in the year 1965. In the midst of the Cold War, the space race was not just about exploration and discovery. It was a contest of technological prowess and national pride between two superpowers. And, in this grand cosmic theater, Leonov's mission was a daring move by the Soviet Union, a step into the unknown that held the world's breath. The mission, however, was far from smooth sailing. As Leonov floated in the void tethered to his spacecraft, his suit began to balloon from the internal pressure, making even the simplest movements a challenge. This suit expansion, a phenomenon never encountered before, made it nearly impossible for him to re-enter his spacecraft. The tension escalated as he had to vent precious oxygen from his suit to reduce its size, pushing the limits of human endurance and courage in the face of an unforgiving environment. Despite the nerve-wracking ordeal, Leonov managed to return to his spacecraft and complete the mission, marking a significant milestone in human space exploration. This first spacewalk, though fraught with danger, highlighted the grit and resilience of the human spirit, pushing the boundaries of our capabilities. But beyond the drama and heroism, Leonov's spacewalk was a scientific and engineering triumph. It provided invaluable insights into the challenges of extravehicular activity, lessons that would shape the design of future spacesuits and safety protocols. It was a testament to our ingenuity, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The first spacewalk, a harrowing experience, set the stage for future explorations and paved the way for the space race. It was a demonstration of human tenacity, a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to step into the unknown. And as we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, we owe a debt of gratitude to pioneers like Leonov, who took that first daring step into the void. Walking on the moon was once a stuff of dreams until Neil Armstrong made it a reality. The year was 1969, a year that would forever be etched in the annals of human history. The Apollo 11 mission, helmed by NASA, was the culmination of a decade-long space race, a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of exploration. Armstrong, along with his crewmates, Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, embarked on a journey of over 240,000 miles, a journey that would take them to the moon. They journeyed through the vastness of space, far from the familiar embrace of Earth, carried by the Saturn V rocket, a marvel of technology and engineering. Armstrong's first step onto the lunar surface on July 20, 1969, was a momentous event. The grainy images of a man in a spacesuit planting the American flag on the moon's stark, desolate landscape were beamed into homes across the world. The phrase, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," became an iconic symbol of human achievement. The significance of this event, both scientifically and culturally, cannot be overstated. The moonwalk proved that humans could survive in an environment drastically different from Earth. It paved the way for further exploration of the moon and other celestial bodies, and inspired generations to dream of space travel. It was a testament to the power of human curiosity, determination, and innovation. Culturally, the moonwalk brought the world together in shared wonder and awe. It transcended borders and political divisions, uniting people in their fascination with the cosmos. It stoked the fires of imagination, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and film. The moonwalk also had a profound impact on space exploration. It marked the beginning of manned missions beyond low Earth orbit, setting the stage for future missions to Mars and beyond. It spurred technological advancements that have since found applications in various fields, from medicine to telecommunications. Armstrong's small step was indeed a giant leap for mankind, opening up a new frontier in space exploration. The moonwalk remains a beacon of human achievement, a symbol of our unyielding quest for knowledge and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. Imagine floating freely in space, with nothing but a jetpack to keep you tethered to your spacecraft. Picture the vast expanse of the cosmos stretching out around you, the Earth a stunning sphere of blue and green beneath your feet. This is the scene that astronaut Bruce McCandless found himself in back in February of 1984. McCandless, a NASA astronaut, was about to embark on a unique adventure. He was about to become the first person to perform an untethered spacewalk. This was no small feat. The Manned Maneuvering Unit, or MMU for short, was his only lifeline. A jetpack-like device, it was equipped with nitrogen thrusters, allowing him to move freely in the weightless environment of space. This was a moment of both exhilaration and trepidation. On one hand, McCandless was about to experience a level of freedom that no other human had ever experienced before. He was unshackled from his spacecraft, free to move about in the open expanse of space. On the other hand, the risks were incredibly high. A single malfunction in the MMU could send him drifting off into space, with no way of returning to the safety of his spaceship. But McCandless, like all astronauts, was a pioneer. He was willing to take the risks to push the boundaries of human capabilities. His untethered spacewalk lasted for nearly 6 hours. He maneuvered around the spacecraft, tested the capabilities of the MMU, and proved that humans could perform complex tasks in space without being physically tethered to their spacecraft. This daring spacewalk was a game changer. It opened up a world of possibilities for future space missions. It meant that astronauts could perform repairs on their spacecraft from the outside, could collect samples from space, and could even construct structures in space. The MMU has since been replaced with more advanced units, but the legacy of that first untethered spacewalk lives on. This daring spacewalk proved that humans could venture further and do more in space than ever before. It was a testament to human courage, ingenuity, and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. Fixing a telescope might sound mundane, but what if that telescope is orbiting Earth at 17,500 miles per hour? Now let's rewind to the 90s when the Hubble Space Telescope was in dire need of repair and upgrade. This wasn't a task that could be done from the comfort of an office chair on Earth. Instead, it required a series of daring spacewalks, each with its own set of complexities and challenges. The Hubble Space Telescope, a marvel of modern science, was launched into the cosmos in 1990. However, it wasn't long before scientists discovered a serious flaw in the telescope's main mirror. The images coming back were blurry, and it was clear something needed to be done. Enter the astronauts of the Space Shuttle Endeavour. In December 1993, they embarked on a mission to fix the telescope's flawed mirror. This wasn't just a case of swapping out a faulty part. The astronauts had to install a device, aptly named the Corrective Optics Space Telescope Axial Replacement, or COSTAR for short. The device essentially acted as a pair of glasses for Hubble, correcting the flaw in the mirror. But spacewalks aren't as easy as they might seem. Imagine trying to perform delicate work while wearing a bulky suit, with every tool you need tethered to you so it doesn't float away. All the while you're orbiting Earth at breakneck speed with only a thin layer of fabric protecting you from the harsh conditions of space. The success of these missions marked a significant achievement in space engineering. Not only did they prove that complex tasks could be completed in space, but they also paved the way for future maintenance and upgrade missions. Yet the true significance of these missions lies in what they enabled us to see. With Hubble's vision corrected, the telescope has provided us with some of the most stunning images of our universe and has deepened our understanding of the cosmos. These missions demonstrated the potential of humans to perform complex tasks in space and helped us see the universe in a new light. Spacewalks have come a long way since Leonov's first venture outside his spacecraft. From those initial groundbreaking moments, we have steadily advanced in our ability to work and maneuver in the void of space. The International Space Station, our home away from home, has been a key arena for our modern spacewalks. Astronauts venture outside the station to conduct repairs, perform scientific experiments, and test new technology. It's a high-stakes environment where precision, teamwork, and courage are paramount. A notable example would be the series of spacewalks that took place in the latter part of 2019 and early 2020. Astronauts ventured outside the ISS to replace aging batteries with new, more efficient lithium-ion ones. This wasn't a simple swap, though. It involved a complex dance of robotics and human ingenuity, ensuring the station's power supply wasn't interrupted. This era also saw the first all-female spacewalk, a milestone in gender equality in space exploration. On October 18, 2019, NASA astronauts Christina Koch and Jessica Meir stepped outside the ISS, marking a significant moment in history. Their mission? To replace a faulty power controller, a task they accomplished with skill and aplomb. Over the years, the technology that supports these spacewalks has seen significant advancements. The extravehicular mobility unit, or the spacesuit, has evolved to provide greater mobility, safety, and comfort for the astronauts. Robotic arms have become more precise and versatile, assisting in tasks that would be too risky or strenuous for humans. These missions, while awe-inspiring, serve a practical purpose. They are essential for maintaining our presence in space, allowing us to live and work outside our home planet. They test our limits, push our boundaries, and pave the way for future explorations. From the first tentative steps to complex repair missions, spacewalks have become an essential part of our exploration of the cosmos. As we look to the stars, what does the future hold for spacewalks? Imagine standing on the precipice of the unknown, ready to take that first step onto a new world. Mars, the red planet, has long been the target of our future space ambitions. The thought of astronauts performing spacewalks on another planet is no longer a realm of science fiction. It's a reality that we are inching closer to each day. But the challenges faced by astronauts on Mars would be unlike anything experienced on the International Space Station or even during moonwalks. The Martian environment is inhospitable, with extreme temperatures, dust storms, and a thin atmosphere. Overcoming these hurdles will require technological advancements and rigorous training. Beyond Mars, the prospects of spacewalks on asteroids present an entirely different set of challenges. The microgravity environment means astronauts would need to find innovative ways to anchor themselves to these small celestial bodies. This could entail the use of specially designed tools or even new propulsion systems. All of these future spacewalks underscore the importance of continued advancements in technology. We are developing new suits, tools, and systems to keep astronauts safe, efficient, and effective in the harsh void of space. Virtual reality is being utilized for training, providing astronauts with as close to a real experience as possible before they ever leave Earth. Robotic assistance is another area of intense research, with the potential to reduce the risk to human life during complex, extravehicular activities. But it's not just about hardware. The mental and physical stamina required for these future spacewalks is immense. Training regimes for astronauts are becoming increasingly demanding, with a focus on resilience, problem-solving, and the ability to work under extreme pressure. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, spacewalks will remain a vital tool in our cosmic toolbox. The excitement surrounding the future of spacewalks is palpable. As we stand on the threshold of a new era of exploration, we can only imagine the incredible feats that await us in the final frontier. In the vast expanse of space, we're not alone. You, our viewers, are an integral part of this journey. If you've learned something new from this video or simply enjoyed your trip through the history and future of spacewalks, show your support by giving this video a like. Your feedback is important to us. Share your thoughts, opinions, and any questions you might have in the comments section below. We're eager to hear what you think about the challenges and advancements in spacewalk technology, or even your thoughts on what the future of spacewalks might look like. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to ensure you don't miss any future content. Sharing knowledge is a cornerstone of progress, so we encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can journey further into the unknown, expand our horizons, and continue to learn more about the incredible universe that surrounds us. Remember, every small step towards understanding our cosmos is a giant leap toward the future of mankind. So let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep walking in space.